Hi guys, it's flooding and there was dirt in Daddy's closet and now it's flooding and there's hail and there's thunder and lot of dirt.
2 hours later. Longest intro ever. How the heck are you guys? Travis here, alongside Samantha and Jasmine.
Don't do it at me.
I did Tunise this time. How the heck are you guys? Comment below. Oh, Gus. Okay, let's see. Oh, it comes with a little booklet. Cool.
Give it to us.
Wait, let me see. Featuring delicious snacks from the Netherlands, South Korea, United Kingdom, and more. Munchpak July. Oh, this is kind of cool. I'm gonna have to take a look at this later.
Daddy gave this to us.
Who did give it to us? Let's see the back. Oh, it doesn't say the time. Oh well.
Yeah, we got new ones. We got new ones. We got new ones.
Thank goodness.
That's ready.
3D. No, we're gonna save that for last.
This one?
Yeah, we're gonna save that for last.
No Mexican treats.
I don't know. The labels aren't on it this time. Okay. Fashion food. Tomato flavored cracker.
Smash is scared too.
There's not a single word
She just whipped
in
and
English.
just choked out. Ah, but I don't get it.
Oh, they look like cheese. That's cool. Oh, cool. They smell pretty good.
I smell pretty good.
That legit tastes like a pizza.
Josie.
Sammy, I see something that you're gonna like.
Daddy, I think we have to put this on the ground.
No, we don't. Just, it's fine.
This will
Okay.
be our trash spot. Save that for last, baby. Last. Okay, you join me. Last.
Okay. Well, let's do this.
I'm gonna start physics.
This looks like a combination of Chuck E. Cheese and Itchy and Scratchy. It could be from The Simpsons. You never know. What do you got? What do you have? Ooh, mango. Sour Power straws. Munchpak, I love you. I cannot explain
I
how much I
don't
love
love those potato chips. I know they feel bad. I know. Channel. My hand really good. Looks like I think we saved him. I think we saved him. Why you doing Lego?
A lot of sweets.
Yeah, a lot of sweets. Okay, let's try this. Let's try this.
Old school cornflake chewy. Let's get one thing at a time, girls. We're getting too far ahead. This looks like cereal. This looks like a cereal bar.
Ow!
Put it down. I'll have it later. The cameraman does not like mango. If you guys could only see her face right now. Interesting flavor combination. Not bad. Alright, let's see what this is. teriyaki flavor. Dude, I'm all for that.
I tried.
That's good.
I really. What's
I like teriyaki. We're gonna say that one for last. Let's see, we got refreshers, strawberry flavored.
The poppy's
I
here.
don't get who got to it.
You don't look at it.
Shh, girls, chill.
We gotta haul all this stuff out, guys. All this.
And we're back.
Yep, and we just relaxed and we are calm now, and now we're back.
This is like Laffy Taffy.
Oh yeah. Oh my gosh, how did you get that out?
Just try taking a bite.
Sounds really try.
Yeah, it's like Laffy Taffy. Not bad. Not necessarily a big fan of Laffy Taffy, but it's pretty good.
Hey guys, what do you eat for dinner? I always eat popcorn chicken.
What do we have here? We have something chocolate. No idea.
Chocolate cookies.
Oh, look at how cute they are. Look at how cute. Look.
And look at you.
Aw, nuts. Mmm.
Mommy, look at me. Look at me, mommy.
Ooh, those are good. They have a winner. Okay. Let's do.
They're kind of good. What? I'll call this one a 6.
Crostiana Faro cookies with lemon cream filling.
Actually, we do this sometimes when there's like a bad blood. Oh, close jaw. His name is Fuzzy.
Interesting.
The paw. The paw. The egg.
Lemon. Really good.
Remember, guys, you gave us a little flavor chili.
Okay, third time
That's
charm.
what I said. Maybe we have some time for this.
We're gonna speed this up a little bit here because my battery is at almost critical. Latte Cancho chocolate biscuit. Sounds a lot like Hello Panda. Oh, look at that. Looks like a biscuit.
And we also have little characters on there. You can't see. Look at that. They're so little.
That's almost better than Hello Panda.
Look at how they're like
Alright, now I saved this for last. Boob-filled crackers. Oishi saved this for last because today is the first day of training camp for the Minnesota Vikings. So, purple.
And blue. My favorite. I love blue.
Oh, we forgot about that. Okay, you do that, I'll do this.
Sour. Ah! Don't you know about this?
This looks like cereal. Looks like Crave. Oh no, I'm dropping things. Oh no, dropping things. Oh, weird. Go to the left. Go to the left.
Why?
You didn't even show it. Not bad.
Okay, that way. Chicken that way.
Alright, this is the last one.
I'll try.
Not bad. Alright.
Almost done. And I see
Guys?
the next one. The next day. Can you see the rainbow? The rainbow.
Thank you for watching. Make sure to check out that cabin vlog if you haven't yet already. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and we'll see you soon. Peace.